Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're exploring something pretty awesome, bravura. Now, you might not be familiar with this word yet, but believe me, it's all about those jaw-dropping moments that leave you saying wow. Imagine watching your favorite superhero save the day in a movie, that feeling of excitement and amazement. That's what bravura is all about, doing something incredible with style and skill. Alright, let's take a quick trip back in time. The word bravura comes from Italian, originally meaning bravery. Back in the 17th century, folks started using it to describe performances and art that was super bold and daring. It's like when a knight in shining armor charges into battle against a fire-breathing dragon. Now that's bravura in action. Except, without the actual dragon. Fast forward to today, and bravura is everywhere. Think about your favorite sports star scoring a goal or making an epic slam dunk. That's bravura in action. Or imagine watching a chef on TV whipping up a delicious meal with all sorts of fancy moves. That's bravura cooking. And how about seeing a dancer leap and spin across the stage like they're flying? That's bravura dance. Let's talk art. Have you ever seen a painting that's so detailed and colorful it feels like you're stepping right into another world? Yes, that's bravura art, using talent and imagination to create something truly magical. Oh, and let's not forget those hilarious moments, like when your clumsy uncle tries to impress everyone with his fancy dance moves at a family wedding. That's bravura comedy. But hey, at least he's brave enough to give it a shot, right? So, there you have it. Bravura is all about showing off incredible skills and making it look easy peasy. Whether it's in sports, cooking, dancing, or art, bravura is everywhere, reminding us that with a little bravery and a whole lot of practice, we can do amazing things too. Keep your eyes peeled for those moments of bravura, and don't forget to cheer on all the superheroes in your life, maybe even yourself. Remember to subscribe for more awesome adventures. See you next time.